Manage the fast-changing digital product development process. With OntargIT Printing and Packaging Solution. Effectively deal with just-in-time orders. Automate complex multi-part products development management. Get better production insights. Take full control of quality management and traceability for your complete supply chain. We deliver automation software based on Microsoft Dynamics 365. Our solution helps printing and packaging businesses streamline processes, increase production sustainability, and optimize operations resources. Visit OntargIT.com and supercharge your growth.